Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to change the primary domain in HostGator, updated for 2025. Whether you're rebranding, updating your site, or switching to a new domain, I'll guide you step by step. First, open your browser and head over to HostGator.com. Once the page loads, click on the sign in option in the top right corner. Go ahead and enter your username and password. Then log in. After logging in, you'll land on the HostGator dashboard. This is where you can manage all your hosting details. From here, look for the menu option labeled Websites and click it. Now, you'll see tabs for different sections of your account. Click on the one that says Settings. This is where you can make changes related to your domains and hosting setup. On the Settings page, locate the Manage button. Clicking this gives you access to more detailed options. Next, select the tab called Domains. This shows a list of all the domains linked to your HostGator account. Find the domain you'd like to set as your new primary. Next to it, click on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down, choose Advanced DNS Editor. This tool lets you edit the DNS settings needed to make the switch. Inside the Advanced DNS Editor, click Edit on the domain you want to modify. Carefully update the DNS records to match your new primary domain. Be sure to double check everything. Any typo could disrupt your site. Once you've entered the new details, hit Save. Keep in mind, DNS changes can take some time to propagate. If your site doesn't update right away, don't panic. It usually takes a little while. And that's it. You've successfully changed your primary domain on HostGator. If you run into any issues, you can always check HostGator's support page for help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.